chasing money in the pouring rain, but I keep moving on. Yeah, I keep holding strong. Another day, another struggle, another fight, another hustle, working hard just to survive, trying to keep my dreams alive. Bills keep knocking at my door, giving my best, still needing more. Far from home, far from rest, doing my best with what I got left. Another day, another struggle, another fight, another hustle, working hard just to survive, trying to keep my dreams alive. One more sunrise, one more try, another day, I stay alive. Clock strikes 6, I'm on my way, breaking my back for another day. Sweat on my face, dirt on my hands, still can't get ahead of these demands. I've been giving all I got, but it never seems enough. Working hard, living poor, giving more and more and more. Every dollar slips away, still I'm fighting every day. Working hard, living poor, giving more and more and more. Every dollar slips away, still I'm fighting every day. Another city, another room. Same old suitcase, same old moon. Miles away from the ones I love, praying for strength from above. Every road feels so long, but their love keeps me strong. Far from home tonight, missing those lights, missing those smiles, missing my life. Far from home tonight, holding on tight. One day I'll return when my hard work shines. Phone calls fading in the night, trying to tell them I'm alright. Working hard across the sea, just to give my family peace. Far from home tonight, missing those lights, missing those smiles, missing my life. Far from home tonight, holding on tight. One day I'll return when my hard work shines. Till that day I carry on. Their love is where my heart belongs. I had a dream when I was young, a fire inside that burned so strong. Now every step comes with a price, still I refuse to sacrifice. The road is rough, but I won't stop. My dreams cost too much, but I can't give them up. The world gets tough, still I rise above. My dreams cost too much, but I still believe. finally come to me. I still believe, I still believe, no matter how hard, I still believe. The sun goes down, I'm still awake. Another shift that I must take. Heavy eyes and aching bones, still walking this road alone. I feel the weight, but I won't break. One more shift to survive, one more dream to keep alive, one more night, one more fight, holding on with all my The paycheck comes and quickly goes. That's just the life that I have known. But deep inside a fire remains, helping me through the pouring rain. One more shift to survive, one more dream to keep alive, one more night, one more fight, holding on with all my might. Maybe tomorrow the clouds will move away. Maybe tomorrow I'll see a brighter day. One more shift to survive, one more